I'm feeling all these electromagnetic microwaves in the back of my head as I sit in a chair here, and they got this car that's sitting here with its lights on. The radio waves are coming from on top of 114 again, but they got this car directly associated with the waves. Like Robert Duncan says, they need two sources to bring it together. This car's sitting out here, and all I feel is these waves in the back of my head, and it's pointing right directly at the back of the chair here. And it's just sitting there. Focusing the stuff over this way. And you can see the position of it as I back up. Right here's the chair that I sit in, and right here's the headlights pointed right directly at the back of the chair, and I'm getting all the stuff right in the back of my head.